TCL Roku TV error code 003 indicates problems with internet connectivity or software updates. This prevents access to streaming apps and system updates. As of September 2025, this error is prevalent, especially on models like the TCL 4 series, 5 series, and 6 series, released between 2020 and 2024. Begin troubleshooting by power cycling your TCL Roku TV and your router. Unplug both devices, wait about 60 seconds, and plug the router back in first, followed by the TV once the router is fully online. Then, ensure your Wi-Fi password is correct and that the TV is connected to the correct network. For a more stable connection, consider using an Ethernet cable to directly connect the TV to your router, bypassing Wi-Fi altogether. This eliminates potential Wi-Fi interference, which could be from other devices like microwaves or neighboring networks. The minimum internet speed needed for HD is 3 megabytes per sec and 25 megabits for 4K content. Verify that your internet connection meets these minimum requirements. If the problem persists, continue watching for more advanced troubleshooting steps. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve error code 003, more advanced steps are needed. First, utilize the enhanced network diagnostics tool available in Roku OS 13.0, released early 2025. Access this via settings to test Wi-Fi strength, DNS settings, and router compatibility directly on the TV. Check for updates manually by navigating to Settings, System Update. If the automatic update fails, try initiating it manually. Recent firmware versions, like 13.5.2 from August 2025, include security patches that address vulnerabilities that can trigger error code 03, particularly in homes with many smart devices. Consider using Roku's AI assistant via voice commands for real-time fixes. The AI can automatically switch to an Ethernet connection if Wi-Fi fails. As a last resort, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember, this will erase all user data. If the issue persists, consult TCL or Roku support for model-specific assistance.